Today we'll be doing some quick, easy maintenance on the Challenger. We're going to be replacing the cabin filter. First thing we need to do is pop the hood. The cabin air filter is located under this cover right here, so we'll need to remove this to access it. Next, we'll need to pull the cover up, grab the tabs on the end and kind of rotate up on this cover. And then I like to tuck it under the cowl piece here to keep it out of the way. At this point, we can pull the filter from the housing. You can make note that the arrows are facing the dash for the airflow on that old filter. We'll make sure to put the new one in the same direction. When I install the new filter, I pull back on the cowl so that I can get the filter in the channel. You'll see channel going down the sides and the bottom. Just get it to settle firmly in there and then put the inside cover down and snap it into place. Reinstall the outside cover by inserting the tabs up front and then pressing down in the back to lock in the tabs. The job is complete. You can pick up any used parts or tools and close your hood. Thank you for watching.